Hello, dear friends. Some minutes ago, I've already completed this machine on the Vulnhub and uploaded this video to the YouTube. However, I'd like to correct one fault, what I've already done in this video. In that video, I said I cannot get initial foothold through Metasploit. However, this is not true. We can get the destination by changing payload of the Metasploit. So let me show you. Okay, now we can go into the Kali Linux VM. As you can see, a map has already told us the target is running this version of Pro FTPD. So then we can use such a Metasploit utility to look for the vulnerabilities for this version of Surface. As you can see, the Metasploit has module. Of course, we can launch our Metasploit console. And we can search Pro FTPD. And then we can use, this one, mod copy command execution. We can copy this module name. And then we can show options. We can set the local host to our Kali Linux. Set local port number to 555. And of course, you can leave it to the default one, 444. If you wish, and we need to set a remote host to the target. And port number, we do not need to change. So now we can exploit or run this module. However, we got error or failure, copying PHP payload to website path. Directory not writable. So the default site path is www. In many cases, the absolute writable website path is HTML directly under this www. So we need to change this site path to var HTML, and then we run it again. This is different. Executing PHP payload. However, no session was created, although no error like this one, no failure. Exploit, because it's saying exploit completed, but no session was created. If you stop here and try something else, for example, like manual exploration, which is fine. However, I'd like to point out one thing for you. We can change the payload for this module. Some cases, we need to try different payloads as many as possible. So for now, we can set payload to which one? You can try one by one. You can see this one. We can use the poll, and then we can show options again. The only thing we need to, I think it's all of fields have been configured properly. So now we just run it. As you can see, command shell session 1 opened. It means that it does work. So again, I'd like to mention again, for the Metasploit is so powerful. If we just try one payload with specific module, and this module failed to work, and then you stop it there, I think this is not a good thing. Sometimes we need to change the payload, and maybe even we need to try payloads as many as possible. So for now, as you can see, we have already got the command shell session, and we can, of course, we can launch the bash session. All right, I will not continue our process. I'd like to end here. So that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.